Did you know that up to 70% of information learned during traditional training is forgotten within 24 hours?
This is the forgetting curve, and it's a major hurdle for learning and development teams looking to deliver effective training.
37 combats the forgetting curve, with spaced repetition, ensuring key concepts are revisited before they fade.
Scenario-based exercises encourage real-world application of skills with judgment-free instant feedback, empowering employees.
And micro-learning modules fit seamlessly into busy schedules, enhancing retention. Whether you want to practice your management and leadership skills, get better at talking to journalists, generate more sales, or rehearse ahead of an important meeting or presentation, 37 will enhance your communication skills with personalized AI-powered role plays.
37 is available 24/7 and even integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams and Zoom for real-time feedback.
Developed by experts with over 65 years of training experience, 37 combines the best of Media First and the BCF Group to deliver accessible, realistic, and cost-effective staff development.
37 comes fully loaded with common workplace scenarios.
Imagine being able to practice and instantly receive judgment-free, constructive feedback on your presentations, media interviews, or sales conversations.
Or use it to help your customer service, leadership, and management teams to win hearts and minds.
And with an enterprise subscription, we'll create bespoke scenarios for you and your team that account for your audience, your company brand, and even your tone of voice and organizational values. From the C-suite to every level of your organization, 37 makes training accessible and exciting, empowering everyone to communicate with confidence and credibility.
Ready to transform your workplace? Schedule a demo today and experience the future of learning and development.